Hello everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, I'm going to show you a cool trick that will let you how to change someone's admin title in a Telegram group chat. If you want to learn more about this and other phone tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Click on the group chat that you want to edit. You need to be an admin of the group chat to be able to change the admin titles of other members. Step 3. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group info page, where you can see the list of members, settings, and options for the group chat. Step 4. Press and hold the name of the member whose admin title you want to change. This will open a pop-up menu with some options, such as edit admin rights, remove from group, and delete chat. Step 5. Click on Edit Admin Rights. This will open a new page where you can see the current admin rights and title of the member. You can also change the admin rights by toggling the switches on or off, depending on what permissions you want to give or take away from the member. Step 6. On the Custom Title field, type anything that you want to give as the new admin title for the member. You can use up to 16 characters, including emojis, to create a unique and fun name for the admin role. For example, you can type King. Step 7. Click on Save at the bottom of the screen. This will apply the changes and update the admin title of the member in the group chat. You can see the new admin title next to the member's name on the group info page and in the chat messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.